Top 3 reasons why your diet sucks. Diets don't work for a lot of reasons. Here are my top 3. Number 1, unrealistic expectations. You are not going to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. You are not going to lose 10 inches in 10 weeks. If it sounds too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. Or it's so unhealthy that there is no way you're able to maintain it. As a general rule, 1 to 2 pounds per week is the most that you should be losing on a healthy nutrition plan. Think bigger picture. The goal is to live a confident, long, lean life and to rock that swimsuit every summer, not just next weekend. Number 2, you have to buy a branded supplement or food to make the diet work. This one really drives me crazy. If it costs you more than your mortgage or your rent payment to be on a diet plan, there is something wrong. Fix your disordered eating first. If, and only if, after you fix your disordered eating, that you still have nutritional gaps in your diet, then think about using a supplement. Number 3, being on a diet. Hear me out. If the goal is to look better, feel better, and live a healthier life, shouldn't you be practicing lifelong habits? When you think of a diet plan, most of you are going to think that you have to eat a certain way for a certain amount of time until you get a desired result. And then what happens? Rebound and then on to the next best diet. Instead, let's work on a flexible plan that works for your unique lifestyle. Instead of looking for that next best diet, you're looking for the next swimsuit to rock.